The AI Generate section is perfect for when a lesson is nearly finished but needs an extra block. Additional practice, a reading text, a listening activity, a speaking prompt, an exam task, or even a short game. Open an existing lesson and place your cursor where you want the new section to appear. Then click AI Generate section. Select the block type and set your parameters: topic, level, number of questions, and the exercise format. The main advantage of this approach is control. Instead of generating the entire lesson, the AI adds exactly what you need in a specific spot. After generation, the teacher reviews the section, checks the answers and wording, and shortens or modifies the tasks as needed. To quickly verify all exercises, use Enter Widget Edit Mode and click it again to exit once you're done. If the AI section adds an image, audio dialogue, or another widget in edit mode, don't worry. This is normal. The teacher should review the content and click Generate to ensure the final content is created before assigning it to a student. Before assigning the lesson, make sure to use Clear Answers to remove any teacher responses added during testing. If you leave your answers in the material, the student will see a pre-filled lesson. Without a selection, the entire document is cleared after confirmation. If you select a part of the text, only the chosen widgets are cleared. Finally, save the lesson. This way, a lesson can be built step by step. The teacher sets the structure, and the AI Generate section fills it with content.